Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you some brown stew chicken and rice and peas. So see you in the kitchen. I have washed and cleaned up my chicken. I've used some vinegar on it to get rid of some of the rawness. So I'm gonna be seasoning it up now. That's roughly about a pound and a half of chicken or 2 pounds. Okay. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Okay. Some Maggi all-purpose season. Some meat season. Don't want to add too much. And some basil. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. I've added some salt and black pepper, so I'm gonna rub this in now. The chicken, my hands are perfectly clean, so let's go. I have here some escallion, garlic, onion, thyme, hot pepper, sweet pepper, and squash. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use the squash today in my stew chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up these seasoning now. Seasoning is not ready, so I'm gonna be adding this to the chicken now. Okay. I've also added some crushed pimento seeds. So I'm gonna rub this in now again. Smells so good already, guys. So yes. I'm gonna be adding some soy sauce. I'm just gonna be adding a little of this soy sauce, just a little. Okay. You can add whatever browning you prefer. Okay. I'm gonna leave this now to marinate for an hour. Here I am getting ready to cook my rice and peas. So I have 4 tablespoons of red peas in a little bit of water, not plenty, about 2 cups of water in the pressure cooker. So I'm gonna bring this to boil. Firstly, I'm gonna season it up. So I have added some pegs of garlic and some hot pepper. So I'm gonna allow this to boil first before adding some more water to it and then start to pressure the peas. Okay, guys, look at my peas starting to cook. So I'm gonna be adding some more water in order to allow the peas to pressure. Alright, so all of this is going to be taking place before I add my coconut juice. Alright, this is it now, guys. So I've added some more water, so I'm gonna cover it and allow it to pressure before adding my coconut milk. Alright, there you go, pressure cooker is now closed. Alright, So I'm gonna basically give it like maybe 10 to 15 minutes to pressure, because I don't want it to crush. Alright guys, after 10 minutes I'm gonna check my peas to see how soft they are. Remember, I don't want it to be too soft now. Okay, I've checked the peas and they're still just a little bit too tough, so I'm gonna allow it to pressure for maybe 5 minutes more. Alright, so yes guys, my peas look ready now. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding the milk and the seasoning. This is it guys, so I'm gonna get ready the milk. So I'm gonna be using Grace powdered milk today. I don't have any coconut. I would prefer coconut, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna be using the powdered milk. Alright, this is it guys. I'm gonna dissolve it in a little water and add it to the peas. Alright, I've added the milk, so I'm gonna season this up now to allow the season and the milk to cook. Alright guys, this is my seasoning. I have escallion, thyme, hot pepper, and some garlic and pimento seed. Here it is. I've added the salt and the seasoning. So if you notice, I don't cut my pepper. I allow the whole green pepper to be in it. Right? So I'm gonna allow this to cook properly before adding the rice. Okay, my rice and peas, oops, smells delicious. In the meantime, I'm getting ready to prepare my chicken. So it's brown stew chicken today. Alright, so I'm gonna allow the pot to heat up before adding a bit of vegetable oil. Alright, just a little bit of coconut oil, vegetable oil. So I'm gonna be adding the chicken. Alright, I'm gonna add in bits of chicken now. So I'm gonna remove the seasoning from the chicken and then add them to the oil. Alright, so I've added the chicken to the oil, so I'm gonna allow them to brown. Okay. Meanwhile, my rice and peas is going crazy. I'm gonna be adding my rice now. So we allow the milk to cook with the seasoning and the peas, and then add the rice. Okay, this is less than a pound of rice, so it's Grace white rice. So I'm gonna wash this and add it to the pea pot. Okay, I've added my rice. Okay, so I'm gonna allow it to cook now, then I show you the finished product. Okay, there you have it guys. Rice and peas is ready. Yes. Chicken. for them to brown on the other side. You have to turn them. Okay. Chicken is all brown now, so I'm gonna be adding the seasoning with some water, and I'm gonna add the squash to the chicken also. I've added all that season that I used to season up the chicken to the pot. I'm gonna also add bits of tomato, then I'm adding the squash. Alright, it's looking lovely. There is the squash. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna really peel it, then cut it, dice it up like regular Irish potato, and add it to the chicken. Alright, so you can use this that way. There are other ways, but I'm just showing you this way. Alright, so guys, this is what it looks like when you cut it. This is the inside. It has some seeds. I've already peeled it. I'm gonna remove the seeds, and I'm gonna dice it up like Irish potato. Alright, so here it is. Squash. Here it is, guys. I've added the squash and the tomato. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little butter to it and then allow it to cook. Alright. Oh my. Wow. Looking real good. Looking lovely. Yummy. There you have it, guys. Brown stew chicken with squash. Okay. There you have it. Brown stew chicken, rice and peas, steamed veg, and raw veg. Looking lovely. So I have string bean and carrots, and I have purple cabbage, cucumber, and tomato. Isn't it lovely? Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, share with your family, and leave a comment below what you think of this meal. And happy cooking. Thank you. See you in the next video.